Now, as the ghost appears near Mr. Otis says, "Goodness me, my dear sir, you cannot go creaking about like this. I insist that you oil your chains. I will leave this bottle of oil for you. It is said to be very effective. Do apply on your chains and let me know if you need more. And now, good night." So, Mr. Otis is not afraid at all seeing the ghost in the play, and instead he offers a bottle of oil to the ghost, that you take this bottle of oil and you apply on your chains. How creaking is the sound of out out of your chains. You're not supposed to walk like that in the middle of the night. It's disturbing my sleep, he says. Do apply this oil, and you know it's very effective, and if it is finished you can ask me for more. For now, good night, he says to the ghost. Means a kind of humorous or funny act is being created here by the dramatist Oscar Wilde, and he says that Mr. Otis says to the ghost that your chain sounds creaking and it is disturbing my sleep, so better apply this oil. And after this, Mr. Otis goes back to his room and closes his door. Means he is not afraid at all. The Canterville ghost. How dare he? How dare he laugh at me? Oh, there's so much for his advice. For greasing, watch me. He throws away the bottle. So, the ghost is quite angry at what happened with him. He says that how dare he, means how dare Mr. Otis, how dare he could laugh at me. He has offered me the oil bottle for greasing my chains. Wait, he has to wait and watch. Now more I'm going to afraid them. He throws away the bottle out of anger. Then he throws a green light around himself and fills the air with horrible groans as he goes up the steps. The twins appear at the top of the stairs. "Twins, caught you!" They throw the pillow at the ghost. The ghost escapes. Now, after throwing the bottle, what the ghost does, he is filled with green light around himself, and then he starts climbing upstairs. The twins, they catches him. They catch him. Twins means Lewis and Clark. They both tell the ghost that, "Oh, today we have caught you finally." And what they do, they throw the pillow on the ghost. Then the ghost escapes. The ghost disappears from there. And after that, the curtains come down and the scene 4 ends. Now, the curtain comes up, it rises up, and scene 5 starts. Ghost is very angry today, and he is talking to himself. He is conversating with himself. "I will have my vengeance. Do they know who I am? Do they know what fearful appearances I have made? Have they seen the furor I can create? How dare they, these Americans, the gall, to ask me grease my own chains, and those twins to throw a pillow at me, at my head, and I, a ghost who can play ninepins with my own bones." Okay, calm down. I have to think this through. No ghost in history has ever been insulted like this. Revenge. Oh, I will have the last laugh. How dare you? So the ghost is in the last scene. The ghost is very angry, very furious, and he's talking to himself that till now, till date, no ghost has ever been insulted like this by humans. Do they know who am I? How furious and how furor and how dangerous I can look? So, in this way, the chapter ends, but the chapter does not end here actually, children. For this, you need to take the book from the library of your school when you go back. Here it is ending, means need to know up to here only in standard 6. But for the further curiosity, to know the further part of the story, what happens to this ghost, who wins the last laugh. He says that he is going to win the last laugh, no? But what will happen in the story. Next, for that you need to read the novel, and it is very interesting, very funny throughout. Till now only you must have known that it is very funny, very humorous, and the remaining part is also very funny. You will enjoy it. So when you go to the school back, just do borrow that book from library. My last year batch has done that, and they have completed their novel, and they said, ma'am, it was very very funny and we enjoyed it. So do that. So the ghost becomes very furious, very angry, talks to himself, and he says, how dare these humans can do like that to me. And here the chapter ends. So we move on to the question answers now. I will send you question answers now or maybe tomorrow. All right.